What's the meaning of brought? Brought. Brought.
Brought. Brought. The word brought is the past tense of the verb bring, which means to convey or carry something to a particular place or person. The result of bringing something is that it is now in the possession or available to the intended recipient. For example, if I bring my friend a cup of coffee, the result is that my friend now has a cup of coffee in their possession. The act of bringing can also imply effort or initiative on the part of the person doing the bringing. So, in short, brought refers to the action of conveying something to a specific location or individual, resulting in it being in their possession or available to them.